So we're looking at proportions here and finding out, are the proportions equal? You've already practiced finding out how to find a missing number. You've already practiced cross multiplying and then dividing by the number that's left to find the missing number. But sometimes they're going to give you a proportion, and your job is to find out, is it actually equal? Is it actually proportional? How do we know that we're not getting ripped off? We got to be able to know, is this actually proportional? So how do we do this? Well, it's very similar to what you've already learned. We're going to go ahead and cross multiply here, and that's going to show us if it's actually equal. So I'm going to take any two numbers that are diagonal. Since they're all filled in, you can choose. I can multiply these two numbers. I can multiply those two numbers. Let's go ahead and multiply these two numbers right here to find out if this is actually proportional. If you sell 2 hoodies for $30 and somebody buys 7 hoodies and they give you $100, is that proportional? Is that right? Let's find out. So we're going to cross multiply. 2 times 100 is 200. And then we're going to go ahead and take our answer of 200 and make that a little bit darker for you. We're going to take 200 and divide it by either one of these numbers, by one of those numbers. Let's go ahead and cross multiply and then divide it by this number, okay? So we're going to go ahead and divide that by 30. And then you're going to ask yourself, well, is this proportional? Well, if I cross multiply here and divide by this number, then my answer has to be the number that's left. So let's find out if this is proportional. 200 divided by 30. Is it 7? If the answer is 7, then this is all equal and proportional, and you're not getting ripped off. That is how much they owe you. If the answer is not 7, then that's not proportional. Then that's not right. So we're going to cross multiply, divide by one number, and the answer has to be this if it's proportional. So let's find out if this is proportional or not.